I'm going to show you how to create some basic charts on Excel that's going to transform your data from looking like this to this. So first let's understand the data that we have in front of us. We have a company called Boss Cafe Company. We have some products that we sell here at the company. We have the number of items that are sold in this current year, and we have a total of 200 sales. We then have a percentage of the sales in column D. This means 31% of our total sales was in coffee. Now just imagine going and presenting this table to your company's board of directors. They are not going to be impressed. A simple way to fix that is by including some visual representation of your data. And that can be in the form of charts. First, let's convert this table into a table format by pressing Ctrl T. You can then go into the insert section of your ribbon and select insert column or bar chart. Then select any chart that you like the appearance of. You can rename the chart by double clicking on the title, and let's call it Boss Cafe Company. You can move this chart anywhere you want to on your Excel sheet. You can resize the chart to make it look exactly the way you want to fit it. And here on the right side, you'll have a format chart area where you can change the appearance of your chart. Now up here on the top right side next to your chart, you will find chart elements where you can add axis titles. So if I select axis title here, I can come here and I can rename this to sales, and I can rename this to product sold. Chart title is the name of my cafe that I just entered. If I don't want to view it, I can just unselect it and it's gone. If I don't even want to show this axis, I can just unselect axis. If I select data labels here, I can see the exact percentage and the number of products sold per item right here on the chart. If I want to view the entire table right here on the chart, I can come here and click on data table. If you'd like to see or not see these lines that guide you as to where your charts are heading, then that's where grid lines come in. So if I remove grid lines, it removes those lines on the chart. And last but not least, where you see the color coordinated names where it says blue is sales and the orange is sales percentage, that's your legend. So you can get rid of that if you want by clicking here. There is a chart styles button right below it, denoted by the paintbrush. If you click on that, you can just select based on a lot of different options available to you. Now the thing is, I don't really want to keep the percentage on this graph. It doesn't really serve any purpose because all I can see is little orange squares on top of each bar graph. The way I'm going to fix this is I'm going to come to the filter below that chart styles button and go into chart filters. I'm going to deselect the sales percentage by removing it from here. Click on apply and it's gone. Next, what I'd like to do is come back into the insert section of the ribbon and go into pie chart. Let's select the 2D pie this time. Again, we can switch up styles by choosing different options up here, or you can format your pie chart from the format chart area on your screen. This time though, I don't want the sales. I just want the percentage of sales, and I'm going to click on apply. Again, let's resize the chart, place it where we want, change the font size to make things fit, get rid of some borders and get rid of your grid lines. And after making just a few formatting changes, this is what you're left with. Now, if you are interested in learning about how to create a Gantt chart on Excel, then subscribe and turn on the notification bell because that's coming to you very soon on Boss Your Office. Now watch this video.